Can you build a real 72-hour emergency kit at Walmart for under $50? Not some junk drawer collection. A real kit that covers water, food, light, first aid, and communication. I tried it. Here's exactly what I bought, what it cost, and what made the cut. The goal here is simple. Survive 72 hours without outside help. That's the window where you're on your own after a hurricane, a major power outage, or any disaster that knocks out normal supply lines. Everything in this kit comes from one Walmart trip. No specialty stores, no Amazon orders, just one cart, one register, one receipt. Let's break it down by category. Water is priority number one. You need 1 gallon per person per day. For one person over 3 days, that's 3 gallons minimum. Item 1, a case of 24 bottled water, 16.9-ounce bottles. That's roughly 3 gallons total. Cost $3.48. If you want to go further, grab a pack of water purification tablets for about $7. That gives you the ability to purify dozens of extra gallons from any freshwater source. But for this budget build, the case of water gets the job done. Running total, $3.48. You need around 2,000 calories per day. For 72 hours, that's 6,000 calories minimum. Every item here requires zero cooking. Item 2, a jar of peanut butter, 16 ounces. That's about 2,600 calories in one jar. Cost $2.98. Item 3, a box of 6 granola bars, around 200 calories total. Cost $2.50. Item 4, 3 cans of chicken or tuna, around 600 calories total, plus solid protein. Cost about $3.75. Item 5, a sleeve of saltine crackers, pairs with the peanut butter and tuna, around 1,400 calories. Cost $1.98. That gives us over 5,800 calories for under $12, more than enough for 3 days. Running total, $14.69. When the grid goes down, you need to see, and you need your phone alive long enough to receive emergency alerts. Item 6, an LED flashlight. Walmart sells basic LED flashlights for around $4 that run for dozens of hours on a set of batteries. Item 7, a pack of AA batteries, cost about $3.50. Item 8, a small portable phone charger. Walmart stocks basic 5,000 milliamp hour power banks for around $10. That's 1 to 2 full phone charges, enough to keep you connected for 72 hours if you're smart about usage. Running total, $32.19. You don't need a trauma kit for this build. You need basics that handle the injuries most people actually face in emergencies: cuts, burns, blisters, headaches. Item 9, a basic first aid kit. Walmart sells 50 to 100-piece kits in the pharmacy aisle for about $5. Bandages, gauze, antiseptic wipes, tape. Covers the fundamentals. Item 10, a travel bottle of ibuprofen, about $2. Pain, fever, and inflammation covered. Running total, $39.19. When the power's out and cell towers are overloaded, you need a way to receive official emergency alerts. Item 11, a battery-powered AM/FM radio. Walmart carries basic models for about $8. Make sure it picks up no-way weather bands if possible, but even a basic AM/FM radio will get you local emergency broadcasts. Running total, $47.19. We've got about $3 left. Here's what I'd grab. Item 12, a disposable rain poncho, about $1. Keeps you dry if you have to move on foot. Item 13, a roll of duct tape, about $1.50. Repairs, sealing, splints, shelter patches. The single most versatile item in any kit. Final total, $49.69, under $50. Let me run through the full list one more time. Case of water, $3.48. Peanut butter, $2.98. Granola bars, $2.50. Canned chicken or tuna, $3.75. Crackers, $1.98. LED flashlight, $4. Batteries, $3.50. Portable charger, $10. First aid kit, $5. Ibuprofen, $2. AM/FM radio, $8. Rain poncho, $1. Duct tape, $1.50. 13 items, 6 categories. 1 Walmart trip, $49.69. If you want a printable checklist version of this kit, plus 5 more emergency checklists covering hurricanes, winter storms, bug-out bags, vehicle kits, and power outages, head to flintready.com. The 72-hour checklist is free. Link is in the description. If this was useful, hit subscribe. We put out practical, no-fluff survival content every week. Stay ready.